So today we have something a bit different. This is a stand for your Apple Watch, and what's particular about this one is it's shaped a bit like a G3 iMac that it takes inspiration from. Have a look around the outside of the box. Not too much to see here. It is just like a sticker on the box. It's from this company here, Spigen, I'm guessing that says. I'm not 100% sure. But either way, we're here to see the adapter itself. Little manual how the actual charger fits in. It fits in the front. And yeah, I am kind of obsessed with like little Mac things. As I've said before in my videos, I am quite a fan of Apple. And that's it off to the side. But before we look at it, I want to show you what I'm currently using. So as I said, I'm quite an Apple fan. And I love the old design Macs. We've done videos on things like the Mac Lock. Check that out on the channel. But yeah, I love this design, and currently this is the one I've been using. It's just a little silicone mold thing. Apple Watch charger goes in. This is my Apple Watch that you always see, and it just slides in there like so. And it sits down on top, and that becomes like a little screen. And there we are. I've just plugged it in for context so you can see what it looks like. It is a bit small for this one. This is the 46mm Series 10. We'll take that off there, and we'll have a look at our Spigen one. On the front it says hello, like all Macs do, in that newer Apple font. It's got two bits here, which I guess they're representing the speaker. This for the disk tray. Here we have a look around. It's supposed to look like one of those Tangerine G3 iMacs. Of course, there's some slight changes in the design. Here's like your front bar. The G3 is absolutely one of my favourite iMac designs of all time. I have a grape one, which there's a shot of, but we need to do a full video on it one day. Honestly, my favourite iMac design. And I love the way this is like translucent and you can see through the back there. Such a nice looking watch stand. Not too much to say. This plastic piece does come off. I don't think they sell these individually, so you know, it's probably just the way it's put on in the factory. But yeah, it clips back on. Let's put the Apple Watch charger in and see how easy it is. So I'm doing this with the Type-C Apple Watch charger, and I guess we'll just go straight through the mouth hole here. So we go straight through, and I'm guessing when it's coming through, just grab that end, just so it doesn't catch on this back piece here. Thread it through, and then I'm guessing it just pushes into place. And there we are. It's all nicely in there. And then I'm guessing for cable management, the cable goes through this back slot here. I like to leave a little bit of slack, so I'm just going to put a little bit of the cable inside, and then I'm going to put this. So I finally got the cable in there. I just did that off camera. It was a little bit harder to do than I thought it would be. Oh, and it's just popped out. There we are. So I'm guessing it doesn't go all the way in like I thought it would. It just kind of sits between like that. So there it is. Let's get it plugged in. I've just got it plugged into this external battery here. This is an Anker. It's just my Anker MagSafe battery. Let's see how well it sticks. Because at least with this one I was using, it's got this front piece here, and you know, it holds it. It's more like a little shelf. But this one just stands out. And there we go. So that's it from like a top view. Of course, it depends what type of band you've got. And I've got the Milanese loop on my Apple Watch. Like I said, this is the 46mm on here. We've got a few scratches on there. But yeah, it fits, you know, pretty well. It doesn't look too bad. And of course, once it's set on its side, it does that like nightstand mode, which I do quite like. But yeah, that's it on there. It's not too bad. So what do you guys think of this Apple Watch charger stand? It's pretty cool, I think. I do quite like the G3 inspired design. And they also have a lot of other like iPhone accessories and that with this like G3 theming, which I do quite like. They've got like a wallet card attachment, like a phone case. I think there might even be a Mac mini case. But yeah, let me know in the comments below, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.